Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different, and that is my job at DaDaABC. So I want to give you a little bit of background information first of all about my situation and how I got here. I'm currently living in Thailand. I want to first off apologize if you hear any background noise. I'm currently filming outside on my balcony, so I want to get that out of the way. Back in September, I decided that I was going to move to Thailand. I was living in Vancouver at the time, and this was a really crazy decision for myself to make, but I knew that I wasn't appreciating Vancouver as much as I should be, and I needed a little bit of a change in my life, and Thailand seemed like the perfect option, so here I am. I ended up working my ass off for 2 months working at a restaurant called Cactus Club and ended up saving about $5 grand. Then on November 26th, I got on a flight and I came to Thailand. Here I was on the other side of the world with no plan really, nothing substantial in terms of income or a real job. I was looking into e-commerce and kind of experimenting a little bit with different types of income and different kinds of projects that I was feeling a little bit passionate about. But in the end, I decided that after being there for a month, I was bored, I didn't have anything to do, I felt kind of useless and inadequate, and so I really wanted to get something going in my life that was bringing in income and making me happy. I do have a background in education as I was going to university, Simon Fraser University, to become a French immersion teacher. So this company, DaDaABC, seemed like the perfect option for me. Basically, what it is it's a one-on-one training center for children in China to learn English. You do 15-minute trials and 30-minute lessons with these kids, and eventually you end up with a few regular students that you can have on your daily schedule. My schedule is working from 5 to 8 p.m. Thailand time, which is 6 to 9 p.m. Shanghai time. But you can also work on the weekends. You can work 10 to 12, 1 to 3, and 6 to 9 again, Shanghai time. So basically you go through these lessons, they have courseware attached to them, so we have the Pearson Learning and the Oxford Learning academic material. So basically you can have it on your screen, your student sees it as well, and you have like pen tools where you can circle things, and you basically talk to them one-on-one with the webcam. The requirements are that you are a native English speaker and you have a bachelor's degree. So if you don't have a bachelor's degree, I'd still recommend applying if you have a lot of experience working with children, or if you're currently pursuing your bachelor degree. You also need a laptop with fast speed internet and a video function. The term contract is 6 to 12 months. You can choose whichever one you want to do that, and there is an hour limit, but I think it's airplane. Okay, so the average is about 15 hours a week. You can start immediately, and the application process is rather simple. First, you upload your application with your resume. Then you have an on-the-phone interview, and then you have internet testing. You also have training, so you can watch videos on the website portal and get like a little bit more acquainted with what they're looking for and what they do with the lessons. There's also a rather nerve-wracking demonstration class. So basically this is where you have a mentor. He's doing an interview with, he or she is doing an interview with you through the webcam on the portal, and basically going over some basic rules and regulations for working for the company. And then at the end there's a 15-minute period where you basically have to show them what you got. So you have to show what you would do in a trial class, what sort of things and energy you would bring to this session, and also try to teach them some of the courseware that they've provided already. So with all that being said, once you get hired, your wages you can earn up to $25 an hour, and there's also opportunities for bonuses once you get started. There are various other little details, but it's all listed on the website, so I'll leave the links down below. I would definitely love for you to use my referral code down below. I've linked it, so once you want to apply to the company, you can enter it or click on it, and it will direct you right to the application process page. Of course, I want to get the bonuses, and I want you to have the best opportunity to get the job using this referral code. Also, once you get started and you're hired as a teacher, you are required to do a little introduction video of yourself, just introducing you to the students that you could possibly get in your schedule. So, there are a few examples on the website of things that you can say and ways that you can make this video interesting and appealing so that you have the best chance of gaining as many regular students as possible. I'm going to insert my clip right now. I apologize because it is a little bit embarrassing, but keep in mind that these videos are for children from ages 4 to 16 years old, so there's such a wide variety of kids, and they really just want to see you smiling and happy and very welcoming. So with that being said, watch now.
Hi DaDaABC student, my name is teacher Kaylin and I'm from Canada. This is my friend Ellie. Say hi! I love creating art, practicing yoga, and exploring beautiful places. Most of all, I like having fun with my students. Ellie and I can't wait to see you in our class.
I would also love to give you a few pointers of how you can succeed going through this route and getting this job at DaDaABC once you are an employee. So I basically just want to make a few recommendations. My first is that once you get started with regular students, it's an amazing idea to keep a journal. So basically I write down all the classes that I've taken in that day, and my 3 columns are notes, what they've done well, and what needs work. So at the end of every lesson you will need to do a report card. So these are very important notes to be taking during the lesson. The second thing is that you're really encouraged to kind of roll with it and add your extra punch and personality into every lesson. This will increase your conversion rate from trials to regular students and also just make your job a lot more fun. So I recommend finger puppets. You can do like cutouts of little cats. For instance, I have a bug. There's videos on the portal where they will show you different tools that you can use. Another thing that I love integrating into my classes is sticker reward systems. So I use these stickers and the kids love them. They are very attentive during class and they're really excited to get that sticker on their reward page afterwards. So those are 2 things that I'm really pushing for you guys to do because they're very easy things and they are very beneficial for your lessons. So with all that being said, the goal of this video is to really encourage you to get out of your comfort zone. I know that back home there can be a lot of limiting beliefs about what you can do and what's possible for your life and yourself, but I just really want to put it across to you that there are opportunities abroad for you to get a job and to support yourself. It's not as hard as you think, and I know that you can do it, so my referral code is down below. If you want to apply to DaDaABC, I'm 100% behind you on it, and I wish you all the luck. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.